Welcome to my channel! If you've visited Seattle anytime in the past 10 years, then you've seen the massive boom in construction around South Lake Union. Most of this is due to the rise of Amazon, so while many of these buildings are offices, a sizable chunk of them are apartment buildings. Because these buildings are newer, the rooms tend to be more expensive, but they also tend to have more amenities and favorable locations than other apartment buildings in Seattle. Today we'll look at 2 apartments in South Lake Union, all located in Omni. This building is only about a 5-minute walk from most Amazon, Google, and Meta office spaces in Seattle, and it's only a 2-minute walk away from Whole Foods and District H. So those who live here really don't need a car to get what they need. Omni features 3 full-size swimming pools, 3 saunas, Seattle's largest apartment gym, a theater room, 2 karaoke lounges, soon to be Seattle's 2nd rooftop bar, countless lounges, a music lounge, and a basketball court. It by far has the most amenities of any apartment building I've ever toured in the Seattle area. If you live here, you can get all of your entertainment needs met right here. For those who don't live at Omni, you would likely have to pay hundreds per month to access all the things they already have in-house. Outside of the apartment, you have one of the cleanest and safest areas in downtown Seattle. Because all the tech companies are nearby, private security help keep the streets clean and safe. Plus, all the new skyscrapers in the area and walkable access to almost all parts of downtown give Omni one of the best locations to be in. As long as you're not driving, that is. It's perfect for walking, but good luck driving around the area if it's your first time visiting. So whether you're looking to move to downtown Seattle and want to see what's out there, or you just want to know what 2,800 plus gets you, this is the video for you. Today we'll check out 2 apartments. A 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 973 square feet apartment that costs around $4,100 per month, and a 1-bedroom with a den and 703 square feet that costs upward of $2,800. These prices are higher than the Seattle average, but for a new building in this area with more amenities than you could ever use, this is actually really good for South Lake Union. So let's actually check these places out. Starting with a 2-bedroom, you have tile floors, which I like for ease of cleaning, and you have a washer and dryer right in the front. Most washers and dryers aren't right at the entrance, but this layout helps keep the rest of the apartment quiet when you're doing laundry. The first bathroom has the same tile, which I definitely like, although the bathtub is a little shallow for my liking. All the construction in this place seems sturdier than most Seattle apartments, at least from what I've seen in the past. The main living area has a great view of Capitol Hill and some of downtown. On a clear day, you'd be able to see the Cascade Mountains and would probably get all the sunshine you need year-round. That is, when it is sunny in Seattle. Personally though, the best views you get in Seattle face west, but we really can't complain about a southeast facing view. Next, we'll walk over and check out the main bedroom. The master bedroom has dark vinyl flooring, which is a little bit warmer than the tile everywhere else, and it has that same nice view. As a part of the bedroom, you get a closet and a bathroom with a standing shower. The closet space is relatively shallow, but I guess it's better than nothing. Anyway, the bathroom itself has some cool backlit lighting and a shower with clear glass, so you can check yourself out while showering. Going back to the main living area, you have a kitchen with kind of an odd layout, but I think in this case it works. The kitchen follows the darker theme of the apartment, but provides yellow lighting which gives a nice woodsy look. The refrigerator and freezer both look clean and have ample space, and they're full-sized. I say they're full-sized because many Seattle apartments give you European-style appliances, which really just means they're smaller by about 4 cubic feet, so something to watch out for. Also, with the full-size refrigerator, you get plenty of cabinet space, and you get a gas stove. Take a picture now though, this might be on the endangered species list pretty soon. The rest of the living area is an open 14 by 14 feet, so enough room for whatever you need to entertain, and with all the windows, you get plenty of natural light to brighten the space. Finally, there is the 2nd bedroom. Same vinyl flooring and plenty of room for a queen-sized bed or a home office. It has a small closet, but extra storage is likely needed for anyone who lives in this room full-time. This room has a south-facing view with a peekaboo view of the Cascades. I think it would look amazing at night with all the buildings that are there along with the mountains. If you live alone, this would make a great guest room or even a home office with room for 2 desks. You will need to bring extra lighting though, because the 2 lights in the room likely won't be enough at night. And finally, we have the balcony. It has a great view, and I'm sure it's amazing during long summer days. The nice thing about Omni is that every apartment in this building has its own balcony. Moving on to the 1 bedroom, we have a similar construction material, although the washer and dryer room here comes with a little extra space. Just enough for 2 travel bags and some cleaning material. Just like the last room, the washer and dryer are near the front to keep the rest of the place quieter. Near the entrance is the den. It's big enough for a single desk, and maybe you could turn it into a 2nd bedroom, although I bet most people use this room as an office or storage room. Just a note, the dark floors make me curious how residents decorate their apartments. I've never really seen an apartment with dark tiles like this, so it'd make for an interesting challenge to get this decorated. The bathroom here is the same as in the master bedroom in the other apartment. I should note though that I really appreciate the recessed shower wall. It's a great touch and shows that they put a lot of thought into the design, and it's just so convenient to have somewhere to actually put your bottles and soap. In this apartment, the kitchen is lighter in color and has the same appliances, although the stove has 1 or 2 fewer burners than in the 2 bedroom. I like how this kitchen is all together, unlike the 2 bedroom though. It makes it feel more like a single unit than it did in the 2 bedroom. Otherwise, the main living area here feels long but also narrow. But the views and the balcony help make it feel a little more breathable and open. Although this balcony is a little smaller than the one in the 2 bedroom, it's still a great place to catch views of the city and the mountains. And during the summer, you'll get some great sunrises here. Finally, we have the bedroom. It's very similar to the 2nd bedroom and the 1st apartment, although this one has more closet space and a little less light from the outside. Still nice though compared to some places in Seattle. And that's actually it. Overall, I think Omni is expensive, but for the area and amenities you get, it's pretty reasonably priced. Would I live in Omni if it was located further away from downtown or didn't have all its amenities? Probably not. The rooms themselves are higher quality than most in Seattle, but they're really nothing special. What sets this place apart are the above and beyond amenities and the location. All you need is a couple friends who live in the building, and you're pretty much set to do whatever activity you want in-house. Anyway, well, I think this place is worth it. Let me know if you disagree or if you agree. I love reading all of your comments. Also, if you survived my crappy videography skills and bad dialogue until this point, then I appreciate you. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.